Good day. Our topic for today is about procedures in stowing the dangerous cargoes according to its stowage, segregation, trimming procedures, and methods of determining the angle of repose. First one, segregation and stowage requirements for dangerous cargo, IMDG Code Guidelines. Hunting dangerous cargoes requires special care due to inherent lengthy hazardous nature of shipment and applicable carriage regulation. The general provisions for segregation between the various classes of hazardous goods are shown in segregation table. In addition to the general provision, there may be a need to segregate a particular substance, material, or article from other goods that could contribute to its hazard. DG Code and related guideline. IMDG Code means International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. The IMDG Code regulated the transport of dangerous goods by sea to prevent injury to persons or damage to ships and their cargo. Transport of marine pollutants is primarily regulated to prevent harm to the marine environment. Objective of the IMDG code is to enhance the safe transport of dangerous goods while facilitating the free unrestricted movement of such goods. The IMDG code contains details of all the various dangerous cargoes offered for carriage by sea, and it includes solid, liquid, and gaseous substance, explosives, flammable, oxidizing, and radioactive materials are also included, and recommended means their containment or packing are listed. As is all manner of other information relating to the product, future updating of the code on a 2-year basis are foreseen to take into account technological developments. Trimming procedures. Trimming a cargo reduces the likelihood of the cargo shifting and minimizes the air entering the cargo. Air entering the cargo could lead to spontaneous heating. To minimize the risk, cargoes shall be trimmed reasonably level as necessary. Cargo spaces shall be as full as practicable without resulting in excessive loading on the bottom structure or twinded to prevent sliding of a solid bulk cargo. To consideration shall be given to the amount of a solid bulk cargo in each cargo space, taking into account the possibility of shifting and longitudinal moments and forces of the ship. Cargo shall be spread as widely as practicable to the boundary of cargo spaces. Alternate hold loading restrictions are as required by SOLAS Chapter 12 may also need to be taken into account. The master has the right to require that the cargo be trim level where there is any concern regarding stability based upon the information available, taking into account the characteristic of the ship and intended voyage. For trimming purposes, solid bulk cargoes can be categorized as cohesive or non-cohesive. The angle of repose is a characteristic of non-cohesive bulk cargoes, which is indicative of cargo stability and has been included in the individual schedules for non-cohesive cargoes. Non-cohesive bulk cargoes having an angle of repose less than or equal to 30 degrees. These cargoes, which flow freely like rain, shall be carried according to the provision applicable to stowage of grain cargoes. The bulk density of the cargo shall be taken into account when determining cantlings and securing arrangement of division and bin bulkheads, the stability effect of free cargo surfaces. That's all for today. Thank you.